Your turn. What? My turn? My turn? Are you going to walk? You going to show me how you're walking? Okay, Maverick, go walking. Here, Mom. Here's the stick. Go get the stick from Mom. Maverick, go.
There you go. You gonna go beat the drum?
Come here.
Not beat me. Go beat the drum.
Are you going to walk?
Maverick.
Show me how far you can walk.
I don't make drum sounds. Hey. Go beat the drum.
Maverick, come here. Come over here to see Mom. Or you can push the chair. I thought you were going to walk. I thought you were going to walk. Where are you? You're hiding. Where's Maverick? There he is. Up! Bing, bang, bang. You going to get up and walk? Okay. Mom, play the drum. Your turn. Are you going to walk? Come on. Here, we'll move the drum. We'll move the drum. There you go. Where you going? Here, where you going? You better put that stick down. You're chasing me. You're chasing me. What are you chasing me for? You got a stick and you're chasing me? Where you going? Oh, over there. Oh, I get the stick? Okay, I got the drumstick. Thank you. You get into the cupboard. Here, we'll put the stick in the cupboard so you can't get in. Here, shut the door. Shut the door for a minute. Just for a minute. We'll shut the door. Get your fingers out. Get your fingers out. We'll shut the door, and we'll put. But if you get your fingers out, and I shut the door, and we put the stick in the door like this. Ta-ta the stick. Ta-ta the stick. Ta-ta the stick. Ta-ta. I was gonna put the stick in the door, and you couldn't get in. See, watch. Watch. We'll put the stick in the door. Shut it. Shut it for a minute. You don't need in there. You don't need in the cupboard. Oh, you don't need in that cupboard. Here, I'll show you how we can lock it.